In Divine Pathways, an immense field of ribbons cascades in light and color from the vaulted arches of St. John the Divine in New York City. Divine Pathways was created in concert with communities across Harlem, Morningside Heights, and the larger New York City area. I invited community members to literally write themselves into the work by extending an invitation to write hopes, dreams, and prayers onto the ribbons themselves. There are over 1,200 hopes, dreams, and prayers within this work. I personally transcribed about 100 of these prayers, and it was a profound experience. The majority of the prayers were for the good of us all. And what revealed itself to me as I transcribed these prayers was how similar we all are. I believe that public art can lift us from the ho-hum of every day into a limitless world of possibility. Their collective presence creates an experience that is both intimate and immense, and that celebrates the collaborative process and community itself. As we look up the fabric strands, I call them light pathways that are connecting heaven and earth. Our hopes, dreams, and prayers stream up to the divine, and grace streams down to us.